Morning, rock stars. I hope that you are having a great Christmas holiday. This is lesson 52 on page 279, starting on page 279. I'm just going to do a couple of examples, and then I'm going to go over the lesson practice so that you're good and ready to do any questions that you have to mentally divide a decimal number by 10 or 100 or even 1,000. All right, so let's look at example number 1. Example number 1 says divide 37.5 divided by 10. All right, so here's the deal. Anytime we divide a decimal number by a multiple of 10, in this case, we're dividing it by 10, all we have to do anytime we're dividing a decimal number by a multiple of 10 is we're going to move to the left, however many zeros that we see. Okay, let me explain what I'm talking about here. So let me go ahead and grab a nice little pen here. Let's use that color right there. All right, so we have 37.5 divided by 10. All right, so I'm going to write it down here, 37.5, and since we're dividing by 10, we're going to move this decimal place one to the left because we have 1 0, right? So all we're going to do is take this decimal place and move it 1 to the left. And if we put that decimal place right there, what is our answer? We have 3.75. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So again, if we divide a decimal number by a multiple of 10, all we have to do is count how many zeros we have. In that case, we have 1 0, and we're just going to move that decimal place 1 to the left.